This is going to be a room tour of room P247. This is on the Sapphire Princess. We've been in this room now for 17 days. This is our last night of a 17-night, 18-day cruise. As you walk in, to the right is going to be the closet. As you can see, we've got our closet. A lot of stuff in here because it was a long cruise. Plenty of room in the closet. A lot of extra hangers in here. It was very nice. Plenty of room at the bottom for any extra bags. Of course, at the end of the hall is a mirror that you can check yourself out in just before you leave. Of course, up top there's extra storage. There's the life jacket. And then in the closet itself, you can see there's shelves that we've still got some clothes on. There's a safe that you can put your valuable stuff in. It's not big enough for a laptop, but big enough for an iPad and other things. It works very nice. And then, of course, next to it is going to be the bathroom. The bathroom, here's the bathroom here. Water pressure's okay in the shower. The heat is very sensitive. You'll have really hot water and then not as hot water, but it's very hard to get it exactly right. The bathroom is just a typical princess bathroom, basically. The nice sink. It's good. It's got a big mirror in the commode. It works. It's very nice. It's been very handy for the last 17 days. Back into the room, you take a right, you go back into the main room. This is an Oceanview room. So as you can see, we got it set up into a Princess Queen, I guess is what they call it. A very comfortable bed, very nice. The thermostat's on the wall to the left. And then, of course, when you come to the right, you have your desk set up. We've got our laptop set up on the desk right now. There's a hairdryer back there. There's a good sized TV for the size room it is, so it works good. And then, of course, you got a mirror that you can get dressed in front of. A couple lights there. On the side walls, you have a nice picture, and then next to the each side of the bed, of course, is a little table. Our lamps in this room did not have USBs. We've heard in other rooms some of the lamps have been updated to USBs, but not here down on the plaza deck. 2 drawers, pretty good size, that are usable. It's very good. Your power solutions, the only power solutions you have are right here. It's 2 United States plugs. No European plugs in the room that we could find. So if you're European, you must bring an adapter. And then, of course, you've got a window. It's night now, and so you can't really see out. But it's a pretty nice view. It's a nice area up here behind the window, storage-wise, that you can put things on a shelf. So overall, it's a very nice room. It really is comfortable. We've had a nice cruise. And so once again, this is a review of the Sapphire Princess room P247.